We have this workflow from the RoboNuggets community, link in the description. Now that I have the task manager available on the market and free for everyone, I want to show you how you can transform a workflow like this into microservices, or let's say smaller workflows, for easier management and even cost optimization since it's step-by-step based. So what this workflow does is create short videos for TikTok. It adds backgrounds and does other automated steps. What I've done is, actually let me just show you, it's easier that way. So here's the original workflow. Let's look at how we can split it into multiple smaller workflows. This first part is from Jay's original design. This is the agent part. It uses prompts to generate styles and characters specifically themed for Christmas. Gingerbread, Grinch, Scrooge in my case. When I run it, it triggers the task manager, which handles this step. I'll explain the full setup of task manager in a separate video. Then you move on to the next step, image generation. And finally, the last step sends the video to Blotato for TikTok publishing. Now, one of the advantages here is that if I want to say generate content with a different theme, I don't need to duplicate the entire workflow. I just duplicate this first part and change a few things. For example, here I've switched the style to create a Christmas elf and a Christmas girl and boy, and the result is in this TikTok post. Just by updating one section, I don't have to go back and change the full workflow every time. I just edit that part. It works seamlessly. Here's another example with a robot theme. I updated the style here with robot-inspired prompts, circuits, glimmer, bot, widget, humanoid bots, etc. The result is awesome without duplicating the full workflow and by having multiple styles working with one workflow for image generating and post to TikTok. So why structure it like this? Because now if I want to generate multiple types of TikTok videos, let's say with ancient characters, futuristic ones, POV travel persons, whatever, I only need to duplicate and modify the first part. And if I later want to switch from OpenAI to another service like Context Flux or Clunky, I only need to update one node. All workflows will then use the new service automatically. That's the main benefit, easy to understand to anyone. Also, I'll show you how I monitor everything. I have a dashboard in Task Manager that shows exactly what each step does. All three workflows include this dashboard, so you can track progress and results clearly.
Hope this helps, enjoy, and I hope you will adopt Task Manager for your workflows.
Details in the description.
Have a nice day.